Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube video on Android phone. So let's get into it. First of all, open the YouTube app. You'll only be able to download videos if you pay a monthly subscription fee for YouTube Premium. But if you're not ready to commit to a subscription, you can sign up for a free trial. Go to the video you want to download. Tap Download. A box will pop up for you to pick a resolution. Tap Download. Go to your library and tap Downloads. From your Downloads page, you'll be able to watch the videos that you've downloaded offline. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.